Hey everyone! If you're looking for ways to feel healthier, have more energy, and build a better relationship with food, you're in the right place. Today, we are sharing 7 simple eating habits that can help you transform your health without extreme diets, calorie counting, or complicated rules. These are habits you can start right now. And trust me, they make a huge difference. And stick around until the end, because habit number 7 might surprise you. It's one of the most underrated changes you can make, and it's easier than you think. All right, let's jump in. Let's kick things off with the golden rule. Eat a balanced diet. What does that really mean? It's about getting the right mix of nutrients your body needs. Proteins, carbs, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Here's an easy tip. Use the plate method to build a balanced meal every time. Half your plate should be vegetables, 1/4 lean protein, and 1/4 whole grains or complex carbs. Add a small amount of healthy fat for flavor and satiety. Examples: think grilled salmon, brown rice, and roasted broccoli. Or a veggie stir-fry with tofu and quinoa. Simple, right? Next up, portion control. Even healthy food can lead to weight gain or discomfort if you eat too much. It's all about balance. Here's a quick trick. Use your hand as a portion guide. A palm-sized serving of protein, a fist for carbs, and a thumb-sized portion of fats. And for veggies, go big. The more, the better. And don't forget, eating off smaller plates can make a big difference. It's a psychological trick that helps you feel satisfied with less food. Now, this habit might surprise you, but it's so important: mindful eating. In today's fast-paced world, we tend to rush through meals, eat in front of screens, or snack without even realizing it. Mindful eating means slowing down, chewing your food thoroughly, and really savoring the flavors. Pay attention to how your body feels. Are you full? Are you satisfied? Try this. Put your fork down between bites, take smaller portions, and eat without distractions like your phone or TV. You'll find you eat less and enjoy your food so much more. Habit number 4, limit added sugars and salt. Too much sugar and sodium are sneaky culprits that can lead to weight gain, high blood pressure, and other health problems. Start by reading food labels. Look out for words like added sugar, high fructose corn syrup, or sodium. The goal is to reduce these as much as possible. Replace sugary drinks with water and use natural flavorings like herbs, lemon juice, or spices when cooking. Small swaps add up over time. Number 5, stay hydrated. Your body needs water to function properly. Hydration keeps your energy up, helps your digestion, and even reduces unnecessary snacking. Here's a tip: carry a water bottle wherever you go. Add a little flavor with fresh fruit, cucumber, or mint to make it more exciting. And if you're a coffee lover, remember, balance it out with extra water. Skipping meals might seem like a shortcut to eat less, but it actually backfires. You end up starving later, overeating, or choosing unhealthy snacks. Stick to regular meal times and keep quick, healthy snacks on hand, like a banana with peanut butter, trail mix, or a boiled egg. Finally, don't fear fats, just choose the right ones. Healthy fats like avocados, nuts, olive oil, and fatty fish are packed with nutrients that support your brain, heart, and energy levels. Try replacing butter with olive oil, snack on nuts instead of chips, or add avocado to your meals. Your body will thank you. And there you have it. 7 simple, realistic eating habits that can help you create a healthier life starting today. Remember, small changes add up over time, so focus on progress, not perfection. Let us know in the comments which habit you're most excited to try, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, it costs you nothing, and hit the notification bell for more tips to live your healthiest life. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.